Hello guys, it's Dale here with a new video. Today I'll talk about New Zealand dollar, US dollar. First, let's have a look at the trade from yesterday's analysis which I sent you. I was talking about resistance in here based on this volume cluster. Right now you can see that there has been nice little reaction to that resistance. If you are trading this, then if you haven't taken a profit yet, then it's best to secure your position by moving stop loss right here at the reaction point. So right now, position should be secured, and if you still haven't taken a take profit, then you should be thinking about ideal place where to take it. Oh, I haven't mentioned this, but we are looking at the New Zealand dollar US dollar 30-minute time frame. So back to the take profit. If you remember, last week I sent you a video where I was talking about volume-based take profits, and in the video I was saying that you should place your take profit in the first heavy volume zone. You should use a flexible volume profile like this and look for a first heavy volume zone and think about taking a profit there. So such zone is in here, and it also very nicely aligns with first deviation of VWAP. This is the first deviation of VWAP, which could work as a support because right now the price is moving above it. So if the price reaches that first deviation, then it could turn as a reaction to the first deviation, right? This is a VWAP setup, which I like to trade. It's called a VWAP trend setup. But anyways, what I wanted to show you here was that the beginning of this volume cluster is currently at the first deviation of VWAP. So potentially this could work as a support because of the first deviation of VWAP and also because of this volume cluster. So this is standing in the way of this short trade, and that's why it's best to take profit there. At least if you are used to trading with two halves of your position, so at least first half of your position, all right? In here. If you want to trail this and look for another place to quit this trade, then what I recommend is looking into the whole area, how volumes are distributed there. You want to see how the volumes were distributed within this rotation and basically this whole week. And it will show you that at the point of control, it's right here, point of control. This is the beginning of that heavy volume zone. And what is very nice about this is that VWAP, that's the yellow line, currently aligns with this weekly point of control. And I don't know if you know this, I mentioned this several times in my other videos, but VWAP, that's the yellow line, likes to work as a magnet. And therefore it's very good to use as a take profit. Right, so this could be take profit number 2 in here, right? Because of the VWAP. This is a weekly VWAP, and also because of the weekly point of control. So if you are trading this, then ideal take profit number 1 is in here, around 62.20. Take profit number 2, somewhere around 62.05. All right, I didn't draw a straight line there, but should be around 62.05. All right, but in any case, the trade should be secured right now, and if the price hits this level, then it's best to just quit it. All right, so that's about that trade on the New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Now there's another thing that I want to talk about, and that is a swing resistance. So let me switch to daily chart. All right, so this is the daily chart of New Zealand dollar, US dollar, and the swing trade I want to talk about is in here at 0.6464. This is a strong resistance, a swing trading resistance, which is based on massive volumes which were accumulated in here before the start of this downtrend. So what the chart is telling us here is that sellers were accumulating their short positions here, and then they aggressively pushed the price downwards. Let me zoom it out a bit. Now, I know that the price is currently pretty far from this level, but when the price reaches this level, it is likely that sellers from here will want to defend this place, and when there is a pullback, those sellers are likely to push the price downwards again. And as you can see, those sellers are very strong, very aggressive. As you can see in here, how aggressively they pushed the price downwards after they've accumulated all their short positions in here. All right, so this is how you can see the aggression and strength of those guys. And I think that when the price reaches this zone again, those institutional sellers who are active here will become active again and defend this place, as it's clearly important for those guys because they placed a lot of their shorts in here before. So they should defend it and push the price downwards, and that's why it should work as a strong resistance. All right, now remember, we are talking about swing trading, so you need to use stop loss and take profit according to that. So ideally, stop loss should be behind heavy volume zone. I hope you remember that from one of my previous videos where I was talking about stop loss placement, and also above a swing point. So ideally above this swing point and behind this heavy volume zone. So this is ideal stop loss placement. And what I recommend is using at least risk reward ratio 1 with your take profit. So your take profit should be, at least initially, somewhere in here, at least in here. Later on, you can use volume profile to determine the ideal place for take profit, the same way as I showed you on a 30-minute chart, but it is too soon for that. The price first needs to reach that level, and then we'll be looking for ideal take profit with a volume profile. All right, so that's about that. That's about the New Zealand dollar, US dollar. If you guys like the way I use a volume profile, and if you would like to learn everything there is about the volume profile trading, then what I recommend is visiting my website. This is it, trader-dale.com, and clicking this button which says browse courses. And when you click the button, it will take you to this page where you can check out my courses. If you are interested in volume profile trading, then check out the Elite Pack. And if you are interested in day trading using order flow, then check out the order flow pack right here. There are videos which you can watch that will show you everything that's included in those packs. So check those out. And if you have any questions, then there is a quick chat where you will have them answered real quick. All right. So that's about that, and that's about today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Until then, happy trading.